Hi, I'm Swizz. 3 years ago I launched a book on data visualization with React, and ever since I've been making it better every year with a new release. I was ready to call it quits for 2018 and focus on other projects, but I decided to give it one last update. This one is going to be the best one yet. React D3 is already the best data visualization with React book out there, and data visualization is a growing field. Data scientists is the fastest growing profession in engineering right now. So here's the plan. There's going to be a new version of the book this September at Reactathon, and the new book is going to have updated examples for D3v4, which came out recently. It's going to have everything for the new React approaches in 2018 and 2019. We're going to investigate how React Suspense affects data visualization, games, and other such things. There's going to be a whole new chapter on data visualization in React Native, in WebVR, and a couple other platforms. For the first time ever, there's going to be a special chapter just comparing different data visualization libraries for React that you can use if you don't want to build everything yourself. Although, let's be honest, the book is targeted primarily for people who want to build their own visualizations because they've realized that using other people's libraries gets really cumbersome very quickly. If you buy the book right now during the pre-order period in August, you're going to get the whole book, all of the exercises, the extra videos that I'm making, plus you get to participate in 3 online workshops that are going to be on August 12th, 19th and 26th. These workshops are going to be just for people who buy the pre-order. They're never happening again, and you'll be able to ask questions. We're going to build data visualizations together, and an edited non-interactive version of these workshops is going to be added to the final book as an add-on. So if you're at all interested in doing data visualization with React, learning about all the new principles for dataviz on the web, how to combine it with React, maybe even how to combine it with Vue and other new frameworks, you should get the pre-order right now.